Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will make this beautiful and super cute puff stitch pineapple keychain. For making this super cute pineapple keychain, I am using 3-ply yarn. To begin, make a magic ring. Make a single crochet in the magic ring. Pull the yarn to make a big loop. Wrap the yarn over the hook and insert the hook in the magic ring and pull the yarn. We will repeat this for 6 times and we will have total 13 loops on the hook to make a puff stitch. After having the 13 loops, we will pull through the yarn from all loops. In this way, we have completed our first puff stitch. Make a chain, make one more puff stitch in the magic ring by following the same pattern. In the first row, we will make one puff stitch and one chain in between the puff stitches. In round 1, we will make total 10 puff stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9. We will make one more puff stitch to complete our first round. After completing the 10 puff stitches, pull the yarn of the magic ring. Make a slip stitch to end up the round. Make one more slip stitch in the next space. Pull the yarn to make a loop. Make a puff stitch in the same space. In round 2, we will make 10 puff stitches. Completing the first puff stitch of the second row, we make a second puff stitch in the next space. We will make no chain in between 2 puff stitches. In round 2, we will make puff stitch in each space. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a slip stitch to end up the round. Make a single crochet in the next space and pull the yarn to make a loop and make a puff stitch. Make this beautiful pineapple puff stitch keychain. We will make 2 more rows by following the pattern of row 1. Make a slip stitch to end up the round 4 and make a single crochet in the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 rows, and now we will make a single crochet in each space. After completing the single crochet row, we will fill the fiber in the pineapple. After stuffing the pineapple, we will make one more row of single crochet, but in this row we will skip one stitch and make a single crochet in the next stitch. After completing the row 2 of single crochet, cut off the yarn. Puff stitch pineapple is ready. Now we will make leaves with green yarn. Make a slip stitch in between two puff stitches. Make a single crochet and pull the yarn to make a loop and make a puff stitch in the same space. After completing the puff stitch, make a chain. And make a big loop to make puff stitch. After completing the second puff stitch, make 3 chains. One, two, and 3, and make a slip stitch in the same space. Again make 3 chains and a slip stitch in between two puff stitches. Again 3 chains and make a slip stitch. Make a single crochet in the next space. One more single crochet in the next space and pull the loop to make puff stitch. Now repeating the same method, we will make second leaf. We will make total 5 leaves on the pineapple. Beautiful puff stitch pineapple is ready. To attach the keyring, we will make a slip stitch in the middle of the pineapple and make 10 chains. Cut the yarn and with the help of a needle attach the keychain. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any queries, message me on Insta. And if you want to buy my products, I have given my shop link in bio. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.